Introducing the all-new 2025 Aston Martin Vanquish. Elegance meets raw power. Striking proportions and a design that turns every street into a runway. Under the hood, an 823 horsepower twin-turbo V12. 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds at a top speed of 214 miles per hour. A sybaritic interior, semi-aniline leather, dual 10.3-inch displays, and bespoke details. Cutting-edge tech with wireless CarPlay and a 15-speaker Bowers & Wilkins sound system. A grand touring built to thrill, precise handling, carbon ceramic brakes, and that unforgettable V12 roar. Starting at $434,000 and only 1,000 will ever be made. The Vanquish is pure rarity.